You are looking at a set of vintage oil dispenser cases produced by Balcrank. They were restored by Tim Reaume, a master automotive bodyman, painter, and restoration expert.
And the only function they ever had was these were used as oil and grease distributors.
These Art Deco style Balcrank oil dispensers didn't do much other than look good. Oil drums were kept inside. One was for new oil, one was for old oil. They were used in high-end car dealerships where it was important to keep up appearances. In this case, the Balcrank dispensers were found in Lindsay, Ontario, Canada, where they were used at a Cadillac dealership in the 1930s.
And they were just sort of an iconic staple of that time, of the Art Deco time, and this is what separated the higher end cars and owners and dealerships from just the average corner garage.
These antiques are going to the Steve Plunkett Auto Salon in London, Ontario. Steve has a classic Cadillac collection that is considered by many to be the best in the world, so the Balcrank dispensers will fit in perfectly.
Yeah, they'll fit right in with his generation of vehicles and memorabilia that he has in there. So this is just one more thing to go into that collection.
Rick Walker, SST.